Hey everyone, welcome to Dolls and Kings. आज हमको दिखाते हैं मैजिक वाटर वाली बुक और देखिए ये मेरे पास पेन है और देखिए ये रीड करेंगे यहाँ और what do you see? Let's look for it and recognize it.
What?
Let's look for it and recognize it.
So what are these?
This is the castle and this cake right here.
Okay, let me see the picture. Okay, it's all white.
Okay,
so what you have to do in it?
And okay, this picture is all white and white color. और ये change भी करता है color. देखा? ये तो अच्छा है, है ना? Okay.
So what you have to do in this?
What
Just
you
have to do. How do you use this pen?
How do you use the pen?
Is this pen filled with ink?
Is this pen filled with ink? No, this is not filled with ink. It's filled with water.
Oh, what? Water?
Yeah.
You just have to open the cap and fill the water.
Yeah, you have to open the cap and fill the water.
Okay, and then you just start coloring.
And then you start coloring. And look,
Alright.
look.
Show me the castle also.
See, look at it. Look at it. Uh-oh, we're quite running out of water.
Okay, let me fill more water in it.
Uh-oh. Alright, Dolls and Kings, we just had to fill some water in here. And yeah, see, Dolls and Kings fans, look at this. What's this?
Are there more pictures?
Yeah.
Can you go to other pictures, please?
Yeah, there are more pictures. Let's just color this one. And it magically disappears and fades away too on the Dolls and King fans. Alright?
Really?
Yeah, it apparently disappears.
Can you help me do this?
Yeah. You just need to color.
Oh, there are 4 pictures.
Yeah, there are 4 pictures. Look.
One,
This is the last one looking like that's what it looks like.
3.
Look.
Wow, this is so beautiful.
Okay. This is really beautiful. What are these? Trolls.
Oh, these are trolls and Anna.
Trolls
Alright.
and Anna. Trolls
Let me
and
see
Anna.
if I can color Anna.
Yeah, you can color Anna.
Oh, her eyes look so beautiful.
I know, right?
And just look at her hair. They are looking so good.
Yeah.
And look at her dress. It is black.
Oh, yes.
Black and blue, basically.
Yes, black and blue.
So you have to
Really
just fill
cool.
more color. I mean water.
Not, not color, lol.
Yeah.
Okay, whatever.
And properly, if you do it
Let's do it.
nicely, it will be coming very good color, just like this.
Yes.
Just like
Look
this.
at this.
So
That's what you have to do. What do you see?
and whenever the water will just dry, it will become just blank as like this.
See, look at
and
that.
then you can just color it.
We just colored it before and then it faded away.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now you can recolor it anytime. So it is
yeah.
a very amazing product, right?
Yeah, so it's a very amazing product. If we sell this on Dolls and Kings, buy it on it.
Okay. Thank you.
Bye.